Welcome to the world of glamour and power. Friends, this time we will discuss one of the most anticipated SUVs, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade V. Here it is, a vehicle that will make you feel like the king of the road, or perhaps more precisely, the king of every road. Design that will make your jaw drop. First of all, let's talk about design. The 2025 Escalade V really appears in a style that makes the eyes pop. With a large, bold body and cool design lines, this SUV really has a luxurious aura that makes people turn their heads when you pass by. The wide front grille with the striking Cadillac logo makes the Escalade V look even more fierce, plus sharp and stylish LED lights. Anyway, this is an SUV that makes a big statement. A machine that makes you vibrate. Now, talking about engines, this Escalade V is no joke. Under the hood is a powerful V8 engine, ready to face any challenge with impressive power. With power reaching around 600 horsepower, this SUV is really ready to go fast and smoothly on the road. Feel the sensation of acceleration that makes your adrenaline rise, but remains comfortable and stable, thanks to the advanced suspension technology embedded in it. Interior like a luxurious living room. Entering inside, you will feel like you have entered a luxurious living room. The interior is decorated with premium materials, such as high-quality leather and real wood, making the atmosphere inside super comfortable and elegant. The large infotainment screen that applies the latest technology will make you feel at home for a long time inside, with all the advanced features that can be accessed with just the touch of a finger. Advanced features and latest technology. The Escalade V is also equipped with all the latest technological features, starting from an accurate navigation system to a premium audio system that makes every trip more enjoyable. The safety features are no less sophisticated, with various sensors and cameras ready to help you in various situations, so that your journey becomes safer and calmer. So, for those of you who are looking for an SUV with a combination of style, power and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade V is definitely the right choice. It's not just about cars, but about lifestyle. With the Escalade V, you not only have a vehicle, but also a big statement about who you are. That single quotes us all for now, guys. Hopefully this article makes you even more excited about the 2025 Cadillac Escalade V. See you in the next article.